The world is changing rapidly, driven by technological advancements and the desire to create a more sustainable world. Robotics plays a crucial role in this as it continues to shape our future.
Can innovation and technology really benefit the future of environment?
Multiple humans with different expertise can use multiple robots with different capabilities to actually get the job done.
The whole idea and the purpose of the company, which grew in the past years on Progress for Humanity, was really to be a strong partner for society.
This is showing already what we could do if we work together.
In this final chapter of Innovation for Nature, we reflect on the numerous benefits that innovation and technology can bring to the environment. The SVan project is a perfect example of this, a visionary endeavor conceived by robotics experts at TUM. They have already explored the limitless potential these robot guardians hold for the future. Together, they form an artificial immune system for our planet. Hyundai, serving as a crucial enabler for this project, publicly introduced the SVan at their inaugural Sustainability Day event. To champion TUM's vision, Hyundai gathered a diverse group of key stakeholders to envision a future where technology enhances human engagement, creating a more substantial impact.
The role of environmental robotics in this big picture is, I think, a central one. In a sense, you could say it's like a motor in a car. I think that the robotics are kind of the hands and the feet that we don't have as humans on this vast scale. Think about the mega cities of today. I mean, they are producing enormous amounts of garbage. How do we want to collect them? How do we want to bring that into a circular economy? How do we want to get rid of all the enormous electronics wastes we're producing? This is exactly where this kind of environmental robotics can play a central role.
The SVan project is really connecting three parties.
My personal hope is that the SVan project gives people a very concrete idea what environmental robotics actually is, because it is still a very abstract idea how we could use that. And the SVan, it can give a very concrete example that everyone can imagine, like what is actually happening inside of environmental robotics.
We are humans and we have certain limits. It's not only emotional but also physical.
There are numerous ways in which environmental robotics can influence the well-being of our future. Using the SVan robots, we possess various capabilities such as observation, monitoring, cleaning, and enhancing the surrounding environment. For instance, these robots can retrieve underwater ghost nets, which pose a threat to our oceans. This is an issue that Hyundai and Healthy Seas, together with partners, are actively combating through innovation.
You know, sometimes it's very dangerous to go down there, like there are some cables or pipes or something else, or pollution, like chemical pollution or whatever, and then it's not really safe to send divers down. So there are many aspects I can come up with which robotics can help us a lot with.
Listening to Pascal, would you rather have your robots assisting him or replacing him?
Assisting. In whatever is right. I mean, in the end, the job has to tell you what's the right solution.
United by Hyundai, these experts can imagine a better future, and they all agree on one thing: making progress for humanity. Hyundai shows its commitment to this idea through collaborative endeavors like Hyundai Cradle, an open innovation center that paves the way to future mobility.
In 50 years, I think robotics will be on a different level than today. I think today we are still in an infancy phase of robotics. We are still trying here and there to explore how robotics can solve a task and trying to find the most cost-efficient and most easiest way to deploy that.
But the influence of robotics stretches far beyond environmental protection. The future of robotics also represents the future of mobility. How we, as humans, can imagine transiting in the years to come.
Well, I think the influence of robotics for the future of mobility is that the future of mobility is robotics. Why? Because autonomy and energy efficiency are the central paradigms of autonomous robots. And if you think about the mobility of the future, it's not anymore about the individual car with its energy questions, with its autonomy questions, but also the connected mobility. So mobility is a network of heterogeneous systems like cars or trucks and others to actually coordinate, collaborate, and build the mobility systems of the future.
As we conclude this journey, we recognize that the future of our environment relies not solely on individual efforts, but on the collective spirit of collaboration and innovation, where small steps can lead to significant changes. While no one can change the world alone, it takes different partners and collaborators to collectively address challenges and create a better tomorrow.